In today's video, we're going to be using crypto news to learn a very, very important lesson in crypto, in investing. And also we're going to be looking at the market because there are some lucrative opportunities right now. So do not miss this episode. This is going to be a very, very important one. Enough talking though. Let's begin. Firstly, we're going to be looking at cyber security company giant Norton LifeLock. And if you've been in this space for a little while, you'll understand that the crypto market is becoming extremely lucrative as time goes on. So this happened in the last bull run as well. What happened was every company, because they knew the buzzword was blockchain, crypto, etc., they would just literally add the word blockchain to the name of the company so that they can gain more exposure because they know about the hype. Same with NFTs, for example, because it's such a hype, people jump on it, of course, to try and monetize it. And of course, this is a very, very smart business idea, very wise, why not seize all this attention and try and monetize it? It just makes perfect business sense. So that's exactly what cyber security company giant Norton LifeLock are doing. They are giving the people, their customers, the ability to mine Ethereum. And their user base is over 30 million users. So, it makes a lot of sense. As I said, lucrative opportunity. And so, shout out to the CEO, very, very smart man, Vincent Pilette, CEO of Norton LifeLock, outlined that crypto mining with PCs can be a risky process, and its newly announced service will grant safety and malware protection to the customers. We are proud to be the first consumer cyber safety company to offer coin miners the ability to safely and easily turn the idle time on their PCs into an opportunity to earn digital currency with Norton Crypto. Our customers can mine for crypto with just a few clicks, avoiding many barriers to entry in the crypto ecosystem. I do want to make it known though, however, although they're giving you the ability to now mine ETH, it's very unlikely that you'll be earning a lot of money mining ETH. If you really want to mine or do some kind of mining operation, or the closest to, I would highly advise having a look at Helium Network. You can actually use your PC or buy a router and add helps to connect hotspots in the area, and you get paid for that. So I would say have a look at Helium if you want to look at ways to earn money rather than look at mining Ethereum. Moving over to the next article. The next article is kind of going in line with the lesson that we're learning today, and that is Bitcoin whales, right? As the news, the volatility in the news, the likes of Elon Musk have been tweeting negative stuff, negative sentiment. The big boys, the whales, are buying crypto. They're buying Bitcoin while the news is negative. And the lesson here is, do not listen to the news. Pay attention to what they are doing. Whether it's whales or companies like Tesla, don't listen to what they say. Only pay attention to what they are doing. And as I said, in this instance, you can see clearly as the price is going down, with the negative sentiment, whales are increasing. They're accumulating more Bitcoin. So they're buying as people, as they call dumb money, are selling. They're giving away their Bitcoins at a lower price. And who's buying them up? The smart money, aka the whales. So that is literally one of the biggest lessons you could learn when it comes to investing and trading. Pay attention to what they're doing rather than to what they're saying, because many times, as I said in previous videos, banks, institutions will constantly say that Bitcoin is a scam, crypto is a scam, don't invest in it. Next minute, what do? They open a trading desk, they invest billions into it. So it's an extremely important lesson. Do not listen to what they say. Only pay attention to what they are doing, what their activity is showing. That is the true indication of what their intentions are. So extremely important to learn this. Furthermore, we have a very big crypto conference that happened in Miami. I'm not sure if it's finished yet or it's come to an end. No, that's something else. I'm not sure if it's finished yet, but it's happening right now. Big crypto traders are in there, big crypto YouTubers. And basically, again, this goes in line with crypto being a very lucrative market right now. To associate with crypto right now makes a lot of business sense. It's attracting all the young talent. So what he is saying, what he said in the opening speech was, he spoke highly of Bitcoin and the entire movement of crypto. He even compared them to what Miami is trying to achieve in becoming a tech hub. And he's very smart in, opening this conference because he knows a lot of eyes, a lot of tech people are in crypto right now. If you're in tech, you're into crypto. So while it makes perfect sense to align yourself with crypto, and that's exactly what it's doing, opening the conference and trying to attract people to Miami. I mean, not that you need anything more to really get attracted to Miami. It's already like the lifestyle is crazy. Moving over to the last news article of today. Again, goes in line with what I've been saying. Don't listen to what they say, even though he's super bullish anyway. Look at what they do. And what did Michael Saylor do? He bought more Bitcoin on June the 3rd, only yesterday, after realizing only big tech stocks do not work. So again, even though he's kind of comparing it to big tech stocks, crypto is the most lucrative thing to be involved in right now. So he is buying more and more, and he's not the only one. This is just one of the billionaires that are actually stating it. Many billionaires, like what's his name, Ray Dalio, who recently announced in an interview that he has Bitcoin. They're buying more and more as time goes on. This also shows that we are nowhere near the bottom just yet. There's still much more upside to go. Now, let's transition over to the charts and look at what opportunities we have today. So I'm just looking at a few altcoins today. Generally, we are experiencing a little bit of a dip on this Friday, but nothing too crazy, 5%, 10% across the market, across the board. But a couple of these cryptos are looking extra lucrative. The reason being is because there's a very important exponential moving average, 21 EMA. And most cryptos are below this. And normally when a crypto gets above the 21 EMA, it's a very bullish sign. And yesterday, Solana broke above the 21 EMA and has now retested it as support. And that also goes in line with a support area of $37. So if it holds this and stays above the 21-day EMA, then we can expect most definitely further upside towards $42 and then $47 and beyond. So this could be a good investment / trade opportunity. Have a look at that. Support is at the 21 EMA, and also this support level of $35. And below that, of course, there's more support. There's also a trend line in play, and there is $32 below that. But it's above the 21-day EMA, so it's looking quite lucrative. Next, we're looking at Filcoin. I would say, the power levels for this crypto are looking very high. It's over 9,000, and it's looking like it wants to continue. Now the same thing, it just got above the 21-day EMA, and it's testing that as support. So if it holds this area, then there's a lot of upside. The next major level is around $117. So the next major level is around there, but of course there's going to be some gaps. There's $100 is a big level, which is just got rejected off. So if it stays above this area, it's got a lot of upside. But of course, if it doesn't hold that level, then it can dip down below, back into this area, consolidation region, maybe down to 75 or even down to $80. Next, we will have a look at Fantom coin, or even if it's Fantom. Now this one is just below the EMA, 21-day EMA, like most cryptocurrencies, but it's it just got rejected off there. So the thing about this is, if it breaks above the 21-day EMA, then there's going to be a lot of upside. But I want to kind of outline the difference. A lot of coins are below and they keep getting rejected. So at the moment, basically, it needs to hold this level of 30 cents. If it does, then it's got potential to kind of attack that level again and to get back above. But again, this is to kind of illustrate that most coins are below, and the two that I just mentioned are above and are looking more bullish than the rest of the market. Last, we're going to have a look, oh no, two more. KSM, so we've got Kazama. So again, as I showed you, above the 21, this has been on quite a tear, and it's retested the 21-day EMA. If it can hold that, then it can revisit this high of around $480 and potentially above, up to $545. Of course, that's a bit of an ask, but the main thing is it's above the 21-day EMA, and that also goes in line with the top of this resistance level, and also some points over here. So this is actually a support level. So if it can stay above this level, then it can continue up to the upside, or potentially even stay in this area for consolidation. So the levels to watch out for are 388 up to 400, and then 486, or the top of this high at 460. So watch out for this one, another one that's above the 21-day EMA. Lastly, we're looking at Tether token. Again, above the 21-day EMA, it's tested that as support and got a nice bounce to the upside. It's now at quite a crucial level, around $9 and some change. So if it can hold that and also stay above this, it's kind of on the cusp of it. If it can stay above that, then it can continue to the upside towards $11 and some change. So that'll be all for this video, and I do want to repeat the very important lesson that we covered today, because a lot of times when we look at the news, it will say sell this, it's a scam, etc., etc. We'll be very confused, or we'll take that advice, and then once we see what they actually do and they get fully involved in the project or industry, we're like, what? But you just said. So, very important lesson: only pay attention to what they do, not what they say. So see you in the next video.